future.
Cancer Horoscope 2021. Let's look at the year ahead. Cancer 2021 horoscope shows a challenging year ahead. A year that will start on a sluggish note. The year will be slightly challenging for natives of Cancer zodiac sign. The transit of Saturn in Capricorn and its harsh aspect upon your sign will be difficult to sail through. But Saturn is known to reward hard work and efforts. Therefore, all those Cancer zodiacs willing to put in their sweat are likely to improve their fortune. At the same time, Jupiter will be transiting over Aquarius that will contain the impediments. However, you will not completely put a pause to the same. It would be important to continuously work hard and make new fortunes. With the advent of 2021, the year will see a continuous rise in income as per Cancer horoscope predictions. As Jupiter is an aspecting income house of Leo, and this will be the reason for improving income for the year, you will see the cash balance improving and this will enhance your fortune. However, the aspect of Saturn upon your sign from Capricorn will make you see an increase in expenditure. You will also see an increase in expenditure due to the transit of Jupiter through the zodiac sign Aquarius. Make sure that you do not rush up to any temptation and spend without looking up to the matter on hand as per your Cancer horoscope. Cancer Love Horoscope 2021. Cancer Love Horoscope predicts that the life of the Cancer natives in love is going to be better than normal this year because, according to Cancer Love and Relationships yearly predictions, you will get auspicious results from the beginning of the year to February. However, from then until mid-March, lovers may face some problems. But from March to mid-April, time will prove to be good for your love life. In this period, you will find yourself close to your beloved and become capable of sharing everything with them. The months of May, August, and then September are also going to be very favorable for lovers of Cancer zodiac sign according to your love horoscope. However, during this time, the constant movement of planets will keep testing you by throwing obstacles in your way. But you and your partner will face every challenge bravely and try to make your relationship stronger. In this case, you are required to remain alert and show your trust and confidence in your partner. However, Love Horoscope 2021 for Cancer suggests that natives in love will feel an increase in their stress levels during this period, along with additional pressure in many situations. Hence, you are needed to resolve every dispute and miscommunication with your partner from time to time. Cancer Career Horoscope 2021. According to Cancer Career Horoscope, you will get mixed results since the red planet Mars will be in the 10th house from your zodiac sign at the beginning of the year, leading to progress in your workplace. During this time, you will be able to successfully execute your task. Along with this, Saturn will be in the 7th house from your zodiac sign throughout the year, due to which you will get auspicious results. This auspicious aspect of Saturn will prove helpful for professionals in garnering promotion. Especially the time from April to September this year will be a bit difficult for you. Therefore, as per Cancer yearly predictions, remain careful at your workplace since your luck factor can decline. During this time, disputes with anyone are possible and chances of them with a female colleague are high. Therefore, its negative impact can tarnish your image. In such a situation, you will need to control your anger. Cancer Astrology Forecast reveals that January, February, March and April are the most favorable months for natives of Cancer zodiac sign. You will also get the opportunity to go abroad in the month of April due to work. Talking about traders and businessmen, the presence of Saturn and Jupiter in the 7th house will give them very good results. Career predictions reveal that in this period your business will grow and you will come across the opportunity to earn money from new sources. Along with this, you will actively take part in social work in addition to managing your business, which will not only improve your reputation professionally but socially as well. If you are thinking of investing some capital, then it will prove to be good for business. However, you will need to continue your hard work and efforts during this time. Do not use any shortcut or else there will be trouble. 2021 Cancer Travel Horoscope. Cancer favor trips with loved ones to keep up a portion of the solace of home. At the point when Cancers travel alone, they tend to withdraw into their shell for security. It requires investment for Cancers to give others access, so making genuine companions while on a getaway isn't probably going to happen. Despite the fact that Cancers aren't normally brave, they will accept the way things are whether they believe their travel mates. With an accommodating aura and eagerness to make bargains, Cancer makes settling on exercises simple. Cancers are constantly upbeat when they are close to water. They would love to swim or sail. Water has an additional fascination for them. They are not extremely gutsy, so they ordinarily continue going to a similar goal a seemingly endless amount of time. Yet these people never get exhausted. Cancers are aesthetic and exceptionally creative. They adore making up for lost time over a decent feast. Cancer Horoscope 2021 shows misunderstanding with your partner. Considering the personal and romantic life of the Cancer native, the year will be slightly challenging as misunderstandings will be the reason for fights as per Cancer Yearly Horoscope 2021. Saturn in the house of a partner and its aspect upon your sign will be the cause of misunderstanding. More so in the middle of the year starting from May till September 2021 as per the Cancer horoscope. Around this phase, Saturn will also aspect the house of romance and love, which will lead to continuous fights and personality clashes. You are advised not to be harsh and firm upon your point of view this year. Having touched the issues of romance and love, other areas of life should also be analyzed, such as education and academics. The year 2021 will demand more effort from students. Do not expect the support of luck to enhance your fortune, as this will take away your scope of securing good grades. Again, the year is average for skills that enhance learning through formal education. You can, however, take up vocational learning to improve your knowledge, as you will put your knowledge in regular practice. This will enable you to improve your working knowledge for days to come. Cancer Finance Horoscope 2021. Talking about the financial life of Cancerians, as per Cancer Finance Horoscope, this year will suggestively be good for them since they will be positively aspected by a benefit planet. Although the beginning of the year may be somewhat weak, which is why you are needed to control your expenses and accumulate your savings. However, things will change after March till May as per Cancer Financial Horoscope 2021, and you can specially benefit from the government sector. With better financial conditions, you will be able to repay your old debts and outstanding bills. Predictions based on Cancer Astrology Finance 2021 suggests that you can spend a suggestive amount on your health in this year. During this time, you will stay mentally stressed. In the month of August this year, you will attain sudden financial benefits from some source, due to which you can then consider accumulating more wealth. You may spend on your life partner, but despite this, your financial situation will be fine. Overall, the month of March will prove to be the best for you. During this time, you will incur maximum profits. Cancer Marriage Horoscope 2021. Cancer marriage horoscope reveals that the married natives of Cancer zodiac sign will get mixed results this year because constant planetary transits will generate tension in your married life. At the same time, some auspicious planets will also garner favorable results in married life. Due to the influence of aspect of malefic planets on your life, attraction between the natives and their spouses will decrease. Along with this, the inclination of your life partner will also increase towards spirituality, and its direct effect will be visible on your marital relationship. As in, your partner can break your heart by discussing spiritual topics even when you are in a romantic mood. In such a situation, give time to yourself and your partner as well. You will feel several changes taking place in your married life from 14 January to 12 February according to Cancer 2021 marriage predictions. This will happen because during this period, the transit of the Sun will be in the 7th house with Saturn from your zodiac sign, due to which disputes between you two are possible. But despite this, you and your partner's loyalty towards the relationship will act as a shield and work towards removing every obstacle and misconception in the relationship. After this, the transit of Venus at the end of January will also have an auspicious effect on your zodiac sign. With this, the closeness and dedication in the relationship will increase. You can plan a trip with a partner. In the same year, Mars transiting in your own zodiac sign between 2nd June to 20 July indicates disturbances in your marital life. On the other hand, if you and your life partner do business together, then this transit will be good for both of you. Talking about your married life based on marriage and child astrology predictions, you will get good results because this year, Saturn and Jupiter will be in the 7th house from your zodiac sign. But due to the presence of Saturn in the 5th house of your zodiac sign, your child will face recurring issues throughout the year. However, you will be with them at every step, which will help boost their confidence and make them capable of doing better than before. You will get stability in your career. With knowledge, the urge to earn money via a proper career will also be high this year. Cancer natives who have been looking for stability in their careers will find one. There will be more work and less time for leisure. You will be putting double efforts to make yourself felt within your company and organization. This effort from your side will give you success and elevate your position. Further, the year needs caution for those who have been looking to work on partnership basis. Saturn aspecting your sign will not let you progress easily. Misunderstanding can be high and you will have to put them to rest amicably, states the Cancer 2021 yearly predictions. Along with a good career, health is also important, and this is one area where Cancer natives will have to be careful. As Saturn is in its own house, it would make you quite sluggish and shall not let you enjoy a good sleep. Tension and worry will be there in accordance with the 2021 Cancer horoscope. However, the good part is that the transit of Jupiter upon the sign of Aquarius will contain any serious ailments this year. This will come as a relief on your health front. Finally, the year will see a good accumulation of wealth. But wealth creation can happen only with the proper usage of money. Again, married life will see some disturbances if you are already married, but thankfully Jupiter's transit on the Aquarius zodiac sign will enable some support from elders who will enable mediation and resolve differences of opinion. If you are looking for a partner for marriage, you should ideally wait for some time to settle down permanently, as seen in the Cancer 2021 horoscope. Cancer Education Horoscope 2021. Cancer Education Horoscope predicts that the Cancer students will have to work harder than before this year in studies, since there will be ample of ups and downs in their academic life. Education horoscope reveals that the beginning of the year will be good and students will get positive outcomes as well. During this time, you will reap the fruits of your hard work and feel capable of passing competitive exams with flying colors. Luck, along with your teachers, will support you in this period. As per Cancer Horoscope 2021, for education, the months of January and August are most likely to be favorable for students preparing for competitive exams. During this time, you will get fruits according to your hard work and people won't get tired of praising you. However, education yearly astrology prediction reveals that the presence of Jupiter in the 5th house of your zodiac sign throughout the year will lead to distraction for many students. Jupiter will not allow you to study and concentrate. In such a situation, you have to focus and study hard in order to escape any kind of loss. For students who are planning to pursue higher education, the first week of April and then from September to November will prove to be a good time for attaining success due to the favorable placement of planets. Apart from this, you will need to work harder and stay attentive to gain auspicious results. The students who are planning to go abroad for studies are more likely to get enrolled in the college or university of their choice in the beginning of January and then between May to July. Cancer Health Horoscope 2021. Your forecast for 2021 for health express that health may be an issue this year, particularly during the second half of the year. Not only for yourself, the health of your entire family should be taken care of. There is possibility of injury during last 2 months of the year. Have a beautiful 2021, all you Cancerians.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.